Looking for a battery but don't know where to begin? We've got you covered. Source BCI is your online solution to finding battery replacement data across 6 vehicle categories. You can access this database of over 293 battery types by logging into your Source BCI account at www.sourcebci.com. If you don't have a Source BCI account, register for one using your Source BCI subscription code by selecting Create New Account. Begin your search by selecting the vehicle category of the battery you're looking for in the drop-down menu labeled Applications. Using the search filters on the left-hand side, select the make, model, and year of the vehicle. Now you have the vehicle's BCI group number and OEM rating information available to you instantly, along with any notes about this battery and links to cross-reference items. You no longer have to flip to the back of a hard copy data book to view any footnotes. Need information on a specific BCI group number? No problem. Under the drop-down menu labeled Reference Information, select BCI group numbers and keyword search for the exact battery by ID number or dimensions. You can even click on the plus sign to view line drawings of the battery. Under the same drop-down menu, you can also look up PowerSport battery specifications and BCI group number cross-reference charts for EN, DIN, and JIS numbers. With more than 160,000 vehicles and 200,000 unique records from the US, Canada, and Mexico, you're guaranteed to find the battery you need. If you need battery information on the go, Source BCI is also available as a mobile app. Download today by searching Source BCI in your Google Play or iTunes App Store. What are you waiting for? Over 75 years of data is available at your fingertips. Purchase your subscription code today at www.sourcebci.com.